Think you can only make 2D art in Scratch? Think again! Today we're leveling up from flat squares to a 3D dice. So let's get rolling and coding. It all starts with a simple square. Copy our square, paste it, and let's move it up. Select both squares and move them to center stage. By using the Reshape tool, we can skew our shapes to create 3D perspective. Let's paste our square again. Now move it over. Center your design on the stage. Use the Reshape tool to align our points and shape our 3D dice. Select the points or nodes of our shapes and move them to adjust our dice. Now we will use the Circle tool and Fill tool for our dice details. Copy your circle and paste it. We will also change the size of our circles to fit our dice. And paste our circles a few times. Add our final touches. Then a background. We can now change the color of our dice using the gradient tool and add the code to make it rolling. So let's get coding. To set up our dice to be rolling, we need when green flag clicked, repeat, set to 30, and turn to the right 15 degrees block. Last, but not least, add the when green flag click block. Plus, glide 1 second to random position, and boom, our dice is rolling. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to GT8 Kids.